Simpsons or Mouse. Mouse. Oh, you see right there. I can't tell what it is, but it's a Firelight BG12. I think it used to be an old fire alarm, but I guess it's started being replaced with a strobe only. A little bit closer to that. We'll just so you get a better angle of it. Yeah, that's definitely a Firelight. There's i3 smoke detectors. That's an older style of a smoke detector. I think that one used to be over there, but I guess it might have got replaced. X sign. Smoke detector. Here we got another SIM sensor mass. Emergency light. Another egg sign. SIM sensor mass. And that's about it, guys. So, yeah, thanks for watching.